Everything is just hand done, custom bulk cut kits. How much do you hate the front clip on this car?
You know, a car wash user when you see one. It's like the paint is screaming for help right now.
Daniel!
Yes, sir?
What we got going on today?
Okay, that just got dropped off this morning. It's one of the first 100 Model S's.
Oh, really?
Believe it or not.
Yeah.
Remove partial hood and remove the front bumper and then replace both.
No fenders?
No fenders, leave them alone.
Okay.
Trim the Hummer, which Andrew's already doing.
Yeah.
Because I think they're gonna pick it up soon. And then let's focus on the Lamborghini Aventador.
When he needs to get it done? By
6 p.m. tomorrow.
6 p.m. tomorrow? We don't have a lot of time, my friend.
Let's focus on the front clip. I think as long as we get that completely finished, I think he'd be happy.
But he's gonna come back and do the rest of the car after a month, right?
In about a month, he's gonna bring the Aventador back with his Murcielago.
Oh, damn.
Yesterday we had 13 cars in the shop. We got 8 of them out. That only leaves 5. So that's SL55, Nissan Z, Hummer EV, Aventador Liberty Walk, and S580. But we got some more dropping off this morning, so we'll fill the shop back up.
Probably we have to finish it today because it's only hood and the partial part.
Look at all the space in here. You get to about 4 golf club sets in there.
Oh, okay.
Yup.
I was trying to fit myself there and close the hood.
You didn't do it?
No, I couldn't fit.
Why
Did you
not?
see the video, the one that we made?
Really?
You're in there?
I was in there.
You're in there?
I was in there, and Jason just opens the door, and I just casually just walk out.
I couldn't fit there. I tried to close it, it was hitting here.
Got this S580 in for a full enhancement and coating. Benz always has a good interior, so we should knock this out quick. As you can see, you know, a car wash user when you see one. It's like the paint is screaming for help right now, and we're gonna get them right. Just know.
All behind.
Hey, are we doing those black pieces too on the front bumper of the Model S?
Just the white part.
Mark is taking it off.
Marcus? Okay. Marcos?
No, Mark.
Marcos? Marcos? Mark? Yo! Beautiful. Beautiful. Love it. It's old, man. It's been on there a minute. This is actually one of the first 100 Tesla Model S's ever made. It's probably had PPF on there since whatever year it is, 16, 17, whatever. I forget what year it is offhand, but first 100 ever. Is that paint or is that just like a chip? I think it's just adhesive. Yeah, it's coming off on my finger. Either get Alex or Oscar. One of those guys, that's one of the master detailers could fix that. Or Marcos, or Emilio, you know what, just get a detailer. Ruben, how's it going, brother? No, cap, that ain't 35%, get the f out of here. I know what's on my car, bro, please, that's too late. Andrew, on a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you hate the front clip on this car? A lot of pieces? Here's what I'm thinking. So let's do the front, let's get the front covered. I'll call him and I'll be like, maybe if you give us to the end of day Friday, we can get some coverage. It's not that often you see a Liberty Walk Aventador, you know what I mean? 20 of these kits in the world, ever. That's why they're 100 grand each. It's 100,000, just the body kit, yeah? So either a body kit on your Lamborghini or a condo. Huh, true. That's true. Hey, at least we ain't gotta wear any body badges. So when it comes to the Aventador, with a car like that and with a body kit so expensive and rare, PPF is a no-brainer. It makes sense that you want to protect something like that. PPF is great to block rock chips, little door dings, little scratches. It actually helps with UV rays too. In that case, the guy just went with a clear PPF. It just got painted and he didn't want to change really the look of it, maybe make it a little shinier. But now there's satin PPF, there's matte PPF. They also have colored PPF if you want to change the color altogether. Ryan's actually working on a full color PPF change, SL55, so let's go check in and see how he's doing on it.
Needs a lot of stretch?
Not really.
No? Should we get that stick?
The stick?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can get the stick.
From where do you want to start it?
Maybe we stretch from the sides and pinch it all in the middle. I think you have to pull harder.
What?
That's why. We had a heat gun going and a cool gun going. How about this one? Oh yeah. I was like, why is this not fucking moving?
Yeah, right? He's like, hey man, you need to pull harder.
I didn't know what it was. There we go.
What if you make 2 stands, you heat it up the whole film, and you just back it up the car? I like that. I'm stretching it and he wants to pull back all the time.
Yep, that's that like PPF element in it, I feel like.
Yeah.
Just careful with the fingers because they don't go away.
Oh, yeah?
It's better, but yeah.
How's it coming?
Good?
Decent. Still doing the enhancement part and then coating after that. So I already talked to Emilio and I would like to try for end of day, but I know that's a lot. It's a black car and I know it's a lot. And it was a full enhancement, right? Yeah. Okay, well, do what you can. If I gotta push it till tomorrow, that's fine, but cool.
I'll let you know. We can try it, but if anything, tomorrow. We'll take a look. No need to polish, so the little scratches you guys are seeing is just haze. It's just an enhancement. It's not gonna be perfect. Not all the scratches are gonna be out, but it looks way better than what it was. The interior's all done. Interior came out really nice. Oh yeah. Best bang for your buck. You get a full interior, get your paint right, and the coating. Can't get better than that. Best of both worlds.
There's a lot of carbon fiber accents on this car, so we're gonna be wrapping all of it in clear PPF to protect it from harmful UV rays and hopefully keep it from swirling up.
Looking good to me.
Oh wow! What the heck? That's oil slick, right there for you, buddy. She wanted it to stand out. It's gonna stand out. That's crazy, like when you get super close to it, it has like a lot of depth to it. Benz is finally complete, it looks incredible. Ryan's gonna do some touch-ups now. We're gonna go ahead and do a cleanup on the car. We're gonna give her a call and tell her to pick it up tomorrow. Hopefully the sun is out when she comes to pick up the car, because that's when the vinyl really sticks out. We got the 2023 Nissan Z from AMS here. We're gonna be doing full car vinyl in satin black. So we're excited to get this one done and get it over to SEMA. Before Ryan starts wrapping the Nissan Z, he's gonna take off some parts, emblems, badges, things like that to make an easier install. There is no preset cut kit for this. You know, being that it is a 1 of 20 body kit, the hood is not something that you could just pre-cut a kit out on. Everything is just hand done, custom bulk cut kits. Took a little extra time.
Oh, is it looking good looking? Can we put this on the race ramps? Bro, that will help us a lot.
That's what I'm saying.
And I'll get these, right? No, I don't think this is gonna work.
No.
This car doesn't raise up? Oh yeah, here it is. Can I get the keys?
It does have one.
All right, this is better. A lot of work.
How's the Model S coming? How we doing, brother? Rolling? Yeah, I wanted to remove the black bits because at first I didn't really want to because I thought it looked decent, but upon closer looking at it, it looked like crap, so.
Yeah.
Good.
I already got the hood on there also.
Looks good. Partial, right?
Yeah, partial.
Beautiful.
Did wrap the edge though.
Beautiful. Yeah. I love that. Okay. So now you're doing the white section of the front bumper.
Yep.
And then next is the center.
Yep, this piece is already.
Oh, I could already see it. Yeah, good call. Okay, I like it. Beautiful. Lamborghini. It's a job, man. Here's what the plan is. So we're gonna work on it through the rest of the day. Tomorrow, continue working on it into the afternoon. Probably finish the front clip. Call the customer, see if he'd rather pick it up and take it just with the front clip finished, or give us another full day and maybe we can get some protection on the rocker panels. Because I mean, if you do get a good look at them, they stick out. You know what I mean? And I know he's planning on taking it a couple places this weekend, but I don't really want to do like a half-ass job. You know what I mean? I don't want to rush the rocker panel kit. So we'll see. Kind of up to the customer and his timeline. I know he wants it for the weekend though, so we're working it out.
You got me wet.
All right, so it's end of the day and we're almost done with Lamborghini. So today we finished the hood, fenders, and the bumper. Also, we have some small pieces left on the front bumper, where is the carbon fiber pieces. And tomorrow we just gotta do some trimming, double check, making sure everything is right, and send it to the customer. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next episode.
The Lamborghini needs to be finished on the front clip, put a banner on, trim everything, make sure it's good to go by the end of the day.
I literally walked out, I was like, holy oh jeez. You guys did such a good job.